I am completely blessed to be working with an absolute angel at the moment who's helping me do my website. And part of that process is to find your purpose. So myself and Jin have spent like 8 hours today going through everything. And you know what? It was so good to have somebody who knew what they were doing to hold my hand through this process. And Jin, I thank you 1,000,000%, because the result from this 8 hours of work has been something absolutely astonishing. Like, she asked me, well, we took 20 minutes at the end to write our mission statement, which is the total goal of this whole process. This whole finding your why is to find your personal mission statement, what's going to drive you in the world. And I am dedicated to living a life of passion and purpose, and finding my purpose it means a lot to me. I don't know how you guys are all feeling, but there's days when I've been wandering around going, what the hell am I doing with my life? You know, I'm here for a reason. I know I'm here for a reason, but what the hell is that reason? Well, doing this project, this finding your purpose, finding your why, if you don't know what your purpose is, get on board and do this exercise, because the key is in your life. I'd love to share with you guys all my mission statement. So, like, mine was pretty pathetic. And Jin asked me afterwards, she was like, so how did you feel about yours? And did you really feel fired up? And the truth is, no, I didn't feel fired up. My mind, it felt like a fairly bog standard kind of mission statement. But I want to share what she wrote for me, because it absolutely blew me away. To use my imagination to open the possibilities of creatively and confidently expressing myself, so that I'm able to share my empathic, intuitive support on a much bigger scale, so that many people can experience the power of being able to breathe again, with the feeling of relief, trust that they are guided, and trust they've got the tools to co-create and manifest the adventure of their life, full of joy, fun, gratitude, and happiness. Okay, I probably read that really badly, but like, oh my God, I am Gabra, I can't even talk now. My chin nearly dropped to the floor when she was reading that statement out. I had to ask her to read it a second time. I've read it 5 times now, 2 to my husband already, and I'm going to have to read it again several times. It may not mean anything to you guys, but having spent 8 hours going through my stories and the common themes of my life and what has just come up over and over again, and the things that are important to me and my values, and having really extracted all of that information and all of the ways I can make a contribution to the world, and how I can influence based on the contributions that I can make. This statement says it all.